A marbled pink peppermint cake pop? With prism powder? What? Oh my God, they match my earrings. Oh my God, they match my earrings. Guys, very late today. Hi guys. Okay, so it's here. The time has come. Fancy Sprinkles launched their holiday collection and oh my God, it's good. It's good. Yeah. Today we're gonna be using pink peppermint, which I personally think will be a bestseller. And we're gonna be making cake pops. Somebody pray, because I'm scared. Okay, so normally you're supposed to make like a boxed cake, but this is not the baking show. I'm not a huge baker, so I bought cupcakes. So we're gonna see if that works. We're all gonna find out together. It's gonna be fun and exciting, and oh my God. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scrape off all the frosting. I don't know why I thought this was a sufficient size bowl, but we're out. What's going on with you today? Ooh. That kind of came off real nice. It's like a little top hat. Just throw it in the bowl. Easy. Done. Okay, I need a bigger bowl. She needs a bigger bowl! I mean, the fact that the holidays are coming up is like shocking. I truly don't have words. What are holidays even gonna look like this year? Oh, God. All right, we're done. We ended on a high note. Clean your hands, because we're not savages. Also, like, was it the smartest choice to wear a white dress? Probably not. I'm gonna go with probably not. No, she's doing a good job. I just think she's off her game. Toss it over here. Gonna pay for that later. Now, what the pros say to do is just crumble with your hands. And if you don't do this motion, then you're doing it wrong. Step 2, crumble. Crumble like your life depends on it. Oh, I love this. You need to relax on the holiday? Go get a cake for yourself to crumble. So right now, our cake is 100% crumbled. And then we're gonna do a little wash. So after you crumble your cake, you're gonna just take just a tiny bit of frosting. We're gonna start with 1 spoonful and see how we do. Like, do I need more? Like, how do you know? Okay, I think I have to go back to using my hands. Make sure to relax your shoulders. Nobody needs to pull a levator scapula making cake pops. Nobody. I feel good about it. I do. All right, guys, you're gonna roll these bad boys into balls. Put them on parchment paper, throw them in your freezer. Whoa, okay. You're perfect. Gonna set her down on a piece of wax paper because she's just freaking beautiful. Okay, this one is having a harder time following the rules and getting into a circle. Like, bud, just do it. Just a little peer pressure and a little Nike. Just do it. So you're basically, this is how they look. And you're just gonna keep going until you finish the batter. But I'm not a psychopath. I'm not gonna like have you watch me make all of them. I'm not trying to ruin your day. I'm not your ex. Ew. So you're gonna take your cake balls and you're gonna put them in the fridge or freezer. I think I'm gonna do freezer because it's a little faster, just to cool down for a little bit before you do your dipping. All right, put them in the freezer. Hope this works out. Do we have clearance? Oh my God, I almost dropped the balls. Okay, we talked about this. This is why you prep the freezer beforehand. Okay, good lesson. Oh! Nope. Just like rearrange the freezer. Oh. Oh my God. Like, I'm a little concerned. That was an adventure. So we're gonna keep those in the freezer now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our white chocolate and we're gonna just put a little in a little bowl. Okay, let's put this in the microwave for like 10 seconds. Okay, not even kind of close. Not even kind of close. God, chocolate chips are high maintenance. This will do. So after about a minute, this is what it looks like. We're gonna grab these out of the freezer really quickly. God help us. Close everything. Then you take this. You dip her in here. Yeah, you see that? Plop it in. Okay. Interesting. Now we can put them back in the freezer. No. Oh my God, I can't watch this. Fun fact, they don't fit in the freezer with the sticks on. Throw them in the fridge. So we're about to take our cake pops out of the oven. No, you're about to take them out of the fridge. What happened? But we need to do some prep work. Pour your white chocolate chips in a bowl. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna put some oil in it. Taking my coconut oil. You could use vegetable oil, but I didn't have any. Great. So we have our gorgeous pink peppermint. She actually tastes like peppermint. The scientists at Fancy Sprinkles have done it once again. Okay, she's a sugar blend. Look at those little candy canes. Looks like little silver ornaments, silver bells. Ooh, look at this shot. This shot is just like somebody call the cinema. Okay, I've also lined up some prism powders you might possibly want to use while decorating. So we got white chocolate chips, sprinkles, prism powders ready to go. We're gonna melt this so that way when we take it out, we can just dip our cakes right in them. Guys, look. How ugly are my socks? She's just harder to edit today than usual. I'm gonna be honest with you, the view from my apartment, there's like a satellite dish, and I always think of Dave Matthews. I mean, she's never easy to edit, but today she's just like a little harder. Satellite on my mind. Ooh, okay. Give her a little stir. The coconut oil is giving her a nice sheen. A nice Charlie sheen. Time to get this party going. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Take a pop, dipper. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'm gonna just do this. Oh my God, this is so cute. Hold on, I'm just going for it. The shape of it kind of looks like a bit of a football. That's okay, we're learning. Okay, second dip. Okay, just keep going, right? That's what they say. I'm gonna try the roll method. Let's see if that works. Oh my God, the roll method is the best method. I would know. I'm a master. Oh my God, I match with my cake pops. These are just so cute. Okay, so we put those in the fridge. And now I wanna try something crazy. I wanna try and do like a marbled one. I'm gonna take red food coloring and I'm gonna try and marble it. And then I'm gonna take a toothpick and I'm gonna just, okay, I've never done this before. Ugh, are you kidding? This is the coolest. I'm shook. I'm absolutely shook. This is just like a light little, guys, this is the coolest thing I've ever done. Oh my God, this looks so sick. Elevating the 2020 holiday game. Okay, our cake pops have been chilling in the fridge. Now it's time to take them out and put some prison powder on them. I'm gonna use the rhinestone silver. So you take your brush, a little dab, and then, oh my God, it's like it's snowing on Christmas Eve. Oh, I love prison powder. I don't even, are you? Who am I? Guys, look at these cake pops. They are shimmering. It looks like there's like snow on them and little candy. This is, talk about the holiday spirit. I'm dying. Wow. Wow. If that's not a peppermint cake pop, I don't know what is. This one is just special because she's perfect. That's why she's special. Okay, my first cake pop. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, are we ready? No. Okay, here we go. I don't want to say who my source is, but I heard that she took a bite and then spit it out. Oh my God. Yeah. It's like, first of all, are you kidding? This is what I've been missing. I'm making cake pops all the time. And like they have a bit of like a crunch, like a Fancy Sprinkles crunch, an FS crunch. 10 out of 10. So the moral of this story is Fancy Sprinkles killed another holiday collection. Go to fancysprinkles.com and go shop their new holiday collection. It's insane. Wow. All right, guys, I love you. I'll see you next week. Mwah!